Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very interesting day as the price, from a presentation standpoint and, doing the analysis, nothing really new to talk about, but it's interesting because the levels that I've talked about previously, we definitely got confirmation from both of these levels that they are going to be very important moving forward, and they're extremely relevant to the chart. So the first bit of confirmation we got was up here in regards to this red line here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but even if you haven't, I've talked about that red line there at 950 being a key level of resistance, and you can see that this morning the price gapped up, was showing some signs of strength, but you can also see where did it stop going up? Well, right up there at that red line. So 950, presented a problem. And not only did it present a problem in terms of just preventing the price from going up, but then it actually smacked the price down pretty good. And upon smacking it down, that's where we got our next part of confirmation. Again, for those of you that watch past videos, hopefully remember me talking about that green line right there. But I mean, check out how cool is that? How great are charts? From right here, it got smacked all the way back down there. And oh, look, right where it started to go sideways. Right there at that green line before starting to bounce itself back upwards. So again, confirmation that, yeah, $8.35 is going to be that main area of support. So we now have, that much more of a relevant channel that's in play, and that there's just going to be that many more people watching because, the price behaved the way it did. And when you have a lot of people watching the same pattern and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. So you're going to have lots and lots of people watching 835. You're going to have lots and lots of people watching 950. And now the big question mark going forward just becomes, who is ultimately going to win out? Are the bulls going to win out with a breakout to the upside, or are the bears going to win out with a breakdown to the downside? So that's the big question mark going forward, but let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.